Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to show you the pubg default settings what you can get in this Mi11 device. As you can see friends, so this is a Mi11 smartphone which has a Snapdragon 888 processor. So let's see, by using only the default settings, so without using any kind of GFX tool, only by using default settings, what is the maximum pubg graphics you can get out of this top high-end Snapdragon processor, which is a Snapdragon 888 chipset. So let's see friends, in this video we'll get to know what are the things you need to know as well. So just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, and also do check the links in description for live wallpapers, for TikTok wallpaper, and even for this live train wallpaper. There's a links available in the description below, so don't forget to check the links in description even for the Mi11 playlist and other smartphones as well. So very soon I'll try to upload so many videos on the Mi11 comparing with other devices like the Realme X7 Pro and the OnePlus 80 device. So it is a OnePlus 80 as well. So stay tuned for those videos, just in case if you're wondering which display is the best and which Android benchmark, how much difference will be there. So those kind of videos I'll try to do the separate videos, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So but in this video, let's focus only on one particular application, which is the pubg game. So let me try to show you. So I did update to the pubg to the latest version in this Mi11. So as you can see friends, so this is a Mi11 which I updated to the latest version. So let me quickly show you. As you can see here, so is the phone, and before showing you the default settings, so let me even display what are the things you need to know as well. So before that, let me change the resolution to the 1080 resolution, and I'll be changing the refresh rate to the 120 Hz refresh rate, as you can see. So first I'll try with the 1080 resolution, and then I'll try to change to the Quad HD. So let's see whether will it make any difference in the pubg settings or not by just changing this resolution. So let me quickly open the pubg game. So it is a pubg game. So overall friends, I was using this phone for a couple of hours, and it was really very good experience holding this phone particularly. The first key thing I like about this phone is the display. The display has got really very small curves on the both edges. That's a fantastic display friends. I do like a lot this type of displays. And most of the users, they don't like the curved edges, but I am a big fan of curved edges. And we do have a very good stereo speaker setup, so which is another best advantage in this phone. So let me try to show you the settings. As you can see in the graphics, you are getting only the smooth and extreme settings. So maybe in the future updates, so definitely you will be seeing the 90 FPS support as well. So we should be able to see that. So I don't think but right now you're getting only the smooth and extreme, but in the future definitely you'll get 100% for sure after the update. So as you can see that right now the max resolution is of Ultra HD, and in this Ultra HD you can play up to the Ultra settings as well. As you can see, you can increase the frame rates, but overall let me try to show the FPS test by using the smooth and extremes, and later I'll try to show you another settings as well. So now with the smooth and extreme settings, you can track the real-time FPS monitor on the top. So since the display is kind of a little bit curved, you will see the few of the games which they'll take advantage of the curved display as well. So right now we are getting around 60 FPS to be precise exactly. The phone has got really good touch sampling rate as well, 480 Hz touch sampling rate, which MI claims, and 120 Hz refresh rate. There are so many in-depth game turbo features which are built in this phone. I need to make separate video for that. There's multiple things you need to know friends in this game turbo, new version of the game turbo. So very soon a lot of phones, they'll try to see this kind of new version of the game turbo as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. But overall in my experience, I did feel one thing is that the touch sampling rate and the refresh rate feels really smooth in this phone. As I said, the dual stereo speakers helps a lot in this phone particularly. So let me slightly increase the brightness so you can see exactly. Only one problem with the dual stereo speaker setup is that the left side of the speaker might get blocked. So because the speaker is not in the middle or in the top, it's slightly downwards. So when you're trying to hold this position, in this kind of position, you will definitely block this speaker. So I wish they could have included this kind of speaker on the top, but they decided to use in the slightly bottom. So that's another disadvantage. But in the right side, you do have really good placement for the speakers, as you can see here on the top. But right now we'll be seeing the FPS count about 60 FPS exactly, friends. So I think for the Snapdragon 8088 this should be pretty easy to play this kind of game at the 60 FPS. And another advantage with this sound is that you do get really good feedbacks from the backside. So a couple of sounds when you're trying to listen to the music, couple of beats, you can actually feel the vibrations little bit coming from the backside. That's another good effect as well. So some people, they don't like the vibrations, but I do prefer this kind of very good effects which are coming from the backside. So the loudspeaker is kind of really good in this phone. So let's see, friends, what will be the feedbacks. Will I get the feedbacks or not? Haptic feedback when I'm shooting. That's what I'm very curious to test in this phone right now. I'm not getting any haptic feedbacks at the moment while I'm shooting. So maybe there must be a setting to turn on, but definitely I'll take a look at that kind of settings if possible. But overall the gameplay feels really smooth. So far the touch sampling rate is really helpful in this device without any problem. I do feel really smooth while playing this kind of game, I would definitely say. And loudspeaker is also really good in terms of showing the sound from coming from the left and right side. So that's another good advantage in this device. So for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends. Overall, the 90 FPS support is not present at the moment in this phone, unfortunately. That's another big drawback in this device, I would definitely say. So maybe in the future updates, we might be able to see that kind of update as well. But definitely I'll try to cover that topic if I will be able to use the GFX tool or not. So if possible, I'll try to use a GFX tool to get that 90 FPS support in this phone. So stay tuned for those video, friends, upcoming. But overall, the device feels really smooth playing the smooth and extremes. I wish they could have included the 90 FPS update very soon. So I'll be still waiting for that update, friends. And thank you for watching. And let's check the temperature by end of this video, how much the temperature reached. Starting from 30, I think 35 degrees, it increased to 41 degrees right now. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.